Wow! Look at the decorations and the sweets. I'm not forgetting the beautiful rangoli. Oh, I'm so excited and happy. Why are you so happy and excited? Is it because you are going to eat all these delicious sweets? And why are the decorations put up? I'm excited because it is Diwali, the festival of lights. Diwali? Oh yes! So it's time for enjoyment, wearing new clothes and eating sweets, right? There is so much more to Diwali than only decoration, lights and sweets. Do you want to know the real meaning of Diwali? Yes, of course. I would love to know all about Diwali. But before that, please tell me why is a rangoli drawn in front of the house? A rangoli is drawn to welcome guests and Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth and good luck. It represents the happiness, positivity, and the liveliness of a household.
Diwali is called the festival of lights, symbolizing the spiritual victory of lights over darkness, good over evil, and knowledge over ignorance. This festival commemorates Lord Rama's return to his kingdom Ayodhya after defeating King Ravan and completing his 14 years exile. It was a new moon night and there was darkness all around. So, to welcome Lord Rama and Sita, the people lit hundreds of lamps, diyas and lanterns. And so till today, this has been followed.
Well, Diwali is not only a celebration of one day, it is actually celebrated over 5 days.
The first day is Dhanteras. It is celebrated on the 13th lunar day of Krishna Paksha in the Hindu calendar month of Kartik. On this day, Dhantrayodashi, goddess Lakshmi, came out of the ocean during the churning of the Milky Sea. There is a belief that goddess Lakshmi visits the homes of her devotees and fulfill their wishes on Dhanteras. Therefore, people light diyas and keep them burning all through the night. Since it's an auspicious day, Hindus make new purchases, especially of gold or silver, and also new utensils. Some buy appliances and automobiles. It is believed that making a purchase on this day brings good luck, positive energy, and health benefits into their homes.
The second day is Narak Chaturdashi. It is also known as Choti Diwali. On this day, Mahakali and Shakti are worshipped. It is believed that Kali killed the Asura demon, Narkasur. This day, Narak Chaturdashi, is a day to abolish laziness and evil, which create problems in our life. On this day, people clean their houses and decorate them. Some believe that wiping out dirt and garbage from the home on this day gets rid of all evil.
Next, we have Lakshmi Puja. On this day, Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth, is worshipped. People offer their prayers
for wealth and prosperity. After the puja, people light diyas and exchange their sweets and gifts among families, friends, and relatives.
Bali Pratipada, also called Padwa, is the fourth day of Diwali. It is celebrated in honor of the annual return of King Mahabali to earth and the victory of Vamana, the incarnate of Lord Vishnu. It also symbolizes Lord Vishnu's conquest over King Mahabali. This day marks the beginning of the new year for the Gujarati community.
The last day is Bhau Beach or Bhai Dooj, as it is known in different parts of our country. On this day, sisters pray for their brother's long and healthy life by putting a tilak of kumkum on his forehead and then feeding him a piece of sweet. Then the sisters perform an aarti for their brothers, as it is believed that the flame of the diya marks the sisterly love that is supposed to protect brothers from all obstacles in life. In return, brothers pamper their sisters by presenting them with gifts.
Wow, that's really a lot of knowledge about Diwali, why and how it is celebrated. Thank you for sharing this information. Any auspicious occasion calls for the presence of God. So now we invoke God's blessings on us all.
Diwali comes from the Sanskrit word Dipavali, which means a row of lamps. A lamp emits such a light that makes the path bright, dispelling darkness around. Lighting of a diya is very essential because it signifies purity, goodness, good luck, and power. The presence of light means the non-existence of darkness and evil forces. We pray to God so that His light shines through us. Our response will be, "O God, help us to be the light of the world."
Diwali is a time to turn inward and light the lamps of knowledge and truth. May our innate brilliance and goodness shine for the world. Our response, O God, help us to be the light of the world. We ask Goddess Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth, to assist us in cultivating and accumulating spiritual wealth, such as compassion, forgiveness, and loving kindness. Our response, O God, help us to be the light of the world.
Since lighting the lamp dispels darkness, this is the time to acknowledge and better understand our negative and bad behavior so that we may transform ourselves for the better. Our response, O God, help us to be the light of the world.
We pray that we can be more loving, kind, and respectful. Give us the gift of compassion so that we may share our material wealth and gifts of joy with those less fortunate. Our response, O God, help us to be the light of the world.
Friends, as you have already heard and seen that Diwali
is the most important festival and is celebrated all over India. People enjoy themselves and have a good time with family and friends. But sad to say, some of us love to burst various types of crackers, making it a noisy Diwali celebration. It is not the right way to celebrate this festival as it disturbs the old and sick people. Moreover, animals are frightened hearing the noise. Not only that, it also causes a lot of air pollution which is harmful for health. I have a few friends here with me who are going to pledge before us to have a safe and green Diwali.
I pledge to spread awareness in my neighborhood by talking to people about noise and high decibels.
I pledge to fill my home with prayers and lights, not with fumes.
I pledge not to immerse ourselves and our nature in dark, toxic fumes.
Let's celebrate a green Diwali without firecrackers and pollution. Don't burn firecrackers, light diyas, share gifts and sweets.
Save the world. Let's minimize the poisonous effect of crackers and maximize happiness with lamps.
Increase the decibel of joy than of noise by celebrating a green Diwali.
Go green. Gift plants this Diwali.
So dear friends, remember that just as a flame of a lamp always points upwards, Diwali is the time to celebrate and appreciate life and look forward to the coming year with a renewed sense of purpose and passion.
The words of Mahatma Gandhi, Diwali is a reminder and an opportunity to be the change you want to be in the world.
On behalf of our manager, Reverend Father Michael Pinto, our head teacher, Madam Shaila Dias, the teaching and non-teaching staff of St. Anne's Primary Section, I wish one and all a very happy Diwali. Take care and stay safe. Thank you.
A festival of lights. It happens when there's a new moon on a dark autumnal night, and everyone makes a diya, a lamp to shine so bright. Diwali is a Hindu festival of music. Light will win over darkness. Light will win over darkness.